Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. Today's video I'm going to talk about ChatGTP. ChatGTP, we are going to know a meaning of ChatGTP. We are going to know how it is important to use ChatGTP and how you can use it profitably to make money. Yes guys, before we start, make sure that you have subscribed to this channel. First of all, what is ChatGTP? ChatGTP, it is a chat generative pre-trained transformer where it is developed by OpenAI, means Open Artificial Intelligence, and it is launched in November at 30, 2022. Yes, this ChatGPT, it is generated, or it is automated in how it works with many languages. You can use English, you can use French, you can use Chinese, any of a language, but it is better to use international language like English, French, and another. Yes, the ChatGPT can be used in education, as it can help a student or a learner to do an assignment or a homework. Let me show you how it works. And remember that to use ChatGTP, you need to be connected on internet. Open your browser. Let me use a Google Chrome, or you can use a Google or Phoenix, any of browser you need. Okay, here search I ask. Yes, use this first, this one. Yes, click on this. Yes, you see here, this is our ChatGTP. Yes, this website of I ask. Let me ask the effect of human activities on climate change. Effect of human activities on climate change. Yes, effect of human activities on climate change. Then search. Yes, then search. After, okay, you see here, you see answer, it is started generated. It started to generate answer. You see, this is the answer. You can read. Oh guys, you can make it as a trial, or you write any question you need to ask, and it generates answer in a few seconds. Yes guys, this you can use it to do a homework, assignment, and so on. Okay guys, thank you. You see, it is very easy to use ChatGTP, and you can use it everywhere you are. And guys, if you see this video, it is interesting. If you are interested in this video, guys, show me in the comment section, and like this video, share to your friends and colleagues. Guys, thank you. The next video will be talking about how ChatGPT can use in business, how to make money using ChatGPT. Thank you. Bye.